Hello guys, this is Olushola David and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm really going to show you how you can create a WhatsApp channel just like we have on Telegram that you can use to promote your brand or even promote your product. So what you want to do is just go over to WhatsApp, then click on WhatsApp. So when you go over to WhatsApp, it's going to open up the WhatsApp, and what you want to do is you want to come over here, then click on update. So when you click on update, it's going to show you the current channel you are subscribed to, and it's going to show you some featured channel that you can also follow from the WhatsApp update. So for you to create your channel, all you simply need to do is just come over here, this channel section here, then click on this plus sign. So when you click on this plus sign, is going to bring out the option of find channel and create a channel. So if you want to create a channel, definitely what you have to do is just click on create channel. So I'm going to click on create channel. So when you create a channel, it's going to bring out this option and it's going to prompt you to agree and continue. So what you want to do here is just click on agree and continue. So when you click on agree and continue, so it's going to prompt you to add a channel name, then also a brief or a summary of what your channel is going to be about. So if you're going to be creating your channel around your brand, you could just give it the name of your brand, and if it's going to be around the product, you could just come up with something that relates with what you want to use it for. So here I'm just going to put product deals here. Then for the description, I'm just going to give it a short description of what the channel is going to be about. So I've just entered the description of what the channel is all about. So if you also want to add an image, all you simply need to do is just click on the image icon and it's going to redirect you to your mobile phone. So it's going to redirect you to your photos, where you can choose a photo that you like to use as the icon of the WhatsApp channel. So once you are okay with the photo, all you simply need to do is just click on choose. So when you click on choose, it's going to update the channel picture. So after that, all you simply need to do is just click on create channel. Alright, so as you can see, I've just created a channel, and if you want to copy the link of the channel, probably you want to share the link of the channel with your follower, your friends and family, all you simply need to do is just come over here, then click on this link icon here. So when you click on the link icon here, it's going to show you send link via WhatsApp. That is, you can send it to someone on WhatsApp, and if you want to send it to your status, you can also click on share to my status. And if you want to copy the link, just click on copy, and if you want to share it to someone, just click on share link. So this is where you can copy the link of the channel. So this is basically how you can create a WhatsApp channel that you can use to promote your brand or probably sell your product across WhatsApp. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.